Alright, so here we are fitting the transmission oil cooler for the DCT transmission. The 130 doesn't have a cooler here at all, so we've removed the support brackets from the M3 which go in behind the bumper bar Rio mount, and we've also fitted all the factory clips which sit in here into the rail. So we'll put all this on. And as you can see, this is where the lines run into a flexi line here through the rail, which is clamped behind the shields and to where the transmission will be. So here's the factory fuel lines for the 130. As you can see, they run through this area of the body all the way back to the fuel tank. And on the M3, they're going to run up through here above all the trays, which allows room for the exhaust system to pass through here without being near the exhaust, without being near the fuel or the vapor lines or the brake lines. These are all off the M3. These are the M3 heat shields because this car only has exhaust on this side, whereas this one has exhaust down both sides. So we just pull all the shields off the M3 and then integrate them all and add additional clamps as required really.